Alright, so the biggest problem you're going to have on trying to remove the screen from your Monoprice Mini SLA is that there's a bunch of film, and what happens is the screen goes through here, you can see here, and then the film holds it in place, which is a terrible method of doing this, and this thing is extremely flimsy, which is why it broke so easily. With the dead pixels and that, because it should have, like, if you're smart like manufacturer, you'd put an extra cover on top of this so that this is not the thing that's being bumped on constantly by the machine, build plate, whatever. And then there's a piece of glass in here, but now you know how all that works. And here, this thing here is the LEDs, and the screen goes this way, and then you connect it up as such. And that's all you need to know about the screen. But again, remember that if you want to remove the screen, there's film. Look at how flimsy this thing is. Anyway, that's my rant, and I'll see you in the next video.